Hi y'all, it's February 19th, my princess birthday. Wish her a happy birthday, y'all. Happy birthday. Look at this. But we are on our way to Target. My best friend gifted her with something nice, so she's going to go pick it up. What else? We gotta go to TJ Maxx, and then we're going to pick up her birthday cake. So I don't know if I'm gonna vlog in there. I kind of want to move, and it's her day, so I'm gonna show y'all the setup when I get home, but I don't think I'm gonna vlog today. Yeah, not as much because I want to spend time with my baby, but I'll see y'all later. What's up, y'all? I'm back from Target. Let me show y'all her little birthday setup I did. We got the little unicorns because it's like a unicorn thing.
I'm here. Can I open it?
Yeah, hold on. Her cake. Then she's gonna make pizza. I just put my daughter bed up. It took like an hour and a half maybe, but I was struggling with the last two, but I got it together. So this is it so far. I'm about to hang her pictures up, put her rug and her new mattress and sheets on. Hey Alexa, what's today's date?
It's Saturday, February 27th. By the way, you can also ask me, what happened today in history?
Okay, so it is February 27th. It's a Saturday. I don't really have...
This might answer your question.
Alexa,
Saturday, February...
Stop. She being rude. So, it's Saturday, the 27th. I really don't have anything planned today, so I didn't even plan on vlogging today. But I do have to run to the Dollar General and get some household items. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that today or tomorrow. I need to order me a new SIM card. Then I was waiting on some items from Target, and I was gonna do a little mini Target haul for you guys, but yeah, my stuff didn't come yet. It's a delay, but yeah. So yeah, I look a little cray. I'm about to do something. I don't know. I guess I'm about to do my makeup. When you look good, you know you feel good. So I'm just about to get myself together, and then I guess I'll come back once I'm together. Okay, y'all. So I just finished my makeup. Pretty good, huh? So now I'm trying to think or debate if I'm gonna go out and get my household items today. Well, I'm kind of cute, but it is late in the day. It's 5:52, which the sun is still out. Oh, thank you. But the sun is still out because daylight savings will be approaching soon. So I noticed it's taking a little time to get dark now, but I think Dollar General closed at 9 o'clock, so I might just run out and do what I gotta do. I need to cook. I'm not sure if I want to cook today. I'm like lazy. I don't know. And yeah, I'm trying to watch what I eat, so I don't want to get no fast food. So I'm debating. What's up, y'all? So I decided to leave the house. What's up? So I'm about to head to Kroger. In Dollar General, I might vlog in there. I don't know. Alright, y'all, so I just got back from the store. My daughter just put the groceries away. I'm about to make dinner. So I'm about to make some wings and some potato skins. The light wasn't on, but I'm about to make some chicken wings and some potato skins, and then I'll probably check back tomorrow. I don't know, you know, trying to vlog. I don't really have much to vlog about, y'all, so. Oh, you know what? I do want to show y'all something before I go. I'm probably going to take them back, these items back to Walmart. I had bought these yesterday. So these are the No Boundaries at the knee. And these are some shorts. So these are cute. They remind me of like the little jogger shorts, but I wanted to go more for a like oversized fit. They fit like biker shorts. They're real fitted, and I got a size medium. It has a pocket on the back, and then I picked them up in a gray color as well. So yeah, I just got me some more joggers. They finally had some joggers in the men's department. So I got some more black joggers. I think these are Hanes. No, Fruit of the Looms. So I got these in a size medium. So that's what I picked up. Alright guys, I will see y'all tomorrow probably. Hey y'all, good morning. Got the loud plastic bag on. But I'm about to do my skincare, face routine. And I'm gonna cook brunch soon, so I'm gonna just show y'all what I'm about to use. So y'all might have seen these products before. This is just what I've been using, something simple. I've been using a new soap too, but it's in the bathroom. But I'm gonna use this, and I've been trying out the e.l.f. mask. Today will be my second time using that. So soon I will be going shopping for new skincare items, especially like for my face. So I'll be doing that. I'm looking for some A&D ointment. I was using a hot comb yesterday on my hair, baby. Let me correct it, on my wig, because I don't need a hot comb on my natural hair, but I burned the shit out of myself. So I'm just checking in to say good morning. I will show you guys a brunch once it's done. Not sure if I'm gonna record me cooking, but just saying hello. Hey y'all, so earlier I didn't come back because I didn't make the brunch. My mom was supposed to come over and she took forever, so she just brought us some food instead. But so I'm about to make another mimosas. Alright y'all, so I'm not doing much, watching some YouTube videos. I'm trying to get my life together. I really need to get out the house. I feel like I haven't been out in forever, which I haven't, because we already know other parts of the world look like it's open, going about their daily business. We finally our restaurants open back up probably about what, 2 weeks ago maybe. So I'm trying to plan something special soon. I don't know, I just need to get out. I need to do something. I want to get my hair done, but I think I'm gonna wait 2 weeks from now and get some braids. I really want some braids. But I wanted to do like a Target haul. I had some stuff that was coming, but it didn't come, obviously, because FedEx all on TikTok doing whatever. It's up, then it's up, then it's, I don't even know the dance, but you know. So hopefully my stuff comes tomorrow, and maybe tomorrow I'll do that, show y'all what I got. Since we are getting ready to transition into spring, I've been buying my spring/summer items. I don't want to go too crazy because, like I said, I find myself buying so much stuff and don't get to wear it because I don't go out. But I do plan on getting out more, especially once it get, you know, once it get warm or whatever. So I don't have much to do, so I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Tomorrow. Oh guys, and also I recorded a haul, a spring haul that will be coming soon. I don't know if I should drop it now or if I should wait till the first day of spring, but stay tuned for that video. Hey y'all, what's up? It's Monday, March the 1st. So I want to do a quick unboxing with y'all. So I got a couple of packages, and I guess I'm just gonna open them on camera and show y'all what I got. I do have more coming actually tomorrow. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show y'all now, and then like just continue the little unboxing tomorrow. So this one is from Nike. So this one's from Nike. So I picked up my little one some Air Force Ones. So I got her some Air Force Ones for the summer. These kind of big. Ooh, I don't know. I might go down the size, or I might keep them and just let her grow into them and then buy her another pair for the summer. I don't know. But that's that. Then Target. So I just got some elf wipes. The 2-pack for $6. The cleansing cloth. And then from Target, I ordered 2 pairs of shoes. Why look like they opened my package? Somebody opened my package. Like they had. So I got 2 pairs of sandals, and this is the brand A New Day. I have brought shoes from this brand before. So I got these little square toe flats, quilted flats, and I got them in black and I got them in white. A little more like a cream than a white to me. Or it's not really coming off as white. I don't know if I like these because I thought they were white and I wanted them to go in my auto bag, but I'm gonna try them on to see if I like them. I did have to size up in a 12 in these. I'm normally a 11, but the review said they ran small, and plus my toes long, y'all, so I'd rather be safe than sorry. I'm gonna try them on and see if I like them. If I don't, they will be going back. And I got some cute heels coming tomorrow from Target. I'm so excited because I did order those heels in my normal size, but they were a little too small, so I did size up. And those been taking forever to come. They were supposed to come Saturday, then they were supposed to come today, so now it's a delay and it's like tomorrow. So hopefully I get them tomorrow. See y'all tomorrow, and I'll show y'all the rest of my stuff. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's the next day. I believe it's March the 2nd, Tuesday. And as I promised you guys, I was going to complete my unboxing, and I have one other item to show you. Open it together. This just came today. It's from AliExpress. It took, usually, I got a bag. It usually takes about 2 weeks. I think this one took almost a month to get to me. Okay, so y'all, I got this little cow bag, and I thought this would be a cute statement piece. Pink in the inside, and it comes with the chain like that black purse I showed y'all in a previous vlog. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the chain on. I think it's cute. I think it's real cute. And y'all, let me show y'all, I got a matching hat because I don't know, I just thought this would be cute. This is cute. This is really, really cute. So I don't know how I'm gonna style it yet, but let me show y'all. Look, I even found some shorts that could go with it, and I was thinking about like an oversized graphic tee maybe with some Air Force Ones. I don't know, but I'm gonna style this really cute. But I wanted to show y'all this, and I got both of them from AliExpress. Also, I'm waiting on one more item from Target that's taking forever, so I'll probably show y'all that tomorrow if they come, or later this week. But yeah, just checking in, y'all. I'll be back.